an assistant professor in the Department of English, Jayarajana Government College. Today I am going to deal with Concord, which is very useful for the students. Concord means an agreement, the verb with the subject. There are three types of Concord: number Concord, person Concord, and some rules of Concord. Let's see first number Concord. There are singular and plural. According to singular, the verb gets changed. For example, the dog barks, the boy runs, the teacher teaches. So if the subject is plural, then dogs bark, the boys run, the teachers teach. And in the question form, it will be like this: does the dog bark? Do the dog bark? Does the boy run? Do the boys run? Does the teacher teach? Do the teacher teach? Person Concord. First person singular. If the subject is first person singular, then it will be like this: I am a singer, I was a player. First person plural means we are professors, we were students. Second person singular, you are a student, you were an athlete. Second person plural, you are students, you were actors. Third person, according to the subject, it gets changed. She is beautiful, she was beautiful. He is sad, he was happy. It's yummy, delicious, it was yummy. So you just see third person plural. They is the subject, so it is plural. So the verb gets changed according to that. They are my friends. They were my friends. They are sad. They were happy. These mangoes are delicious. Those mangoes were delicious. Some rules of Concord. In sentences with dummy subjects like there, then the verb agrees with the real subject. There is a tree in front of my house. So according to the subject only, it gets changed. Here dummy subject is there. There are trees in front of my house. So we have to look at the main subject, trees, and there is a dummy subject. So according to the main subject, the verb gets changed. So next we are going to see about the head words qualified by phrase. Here note that the head words in the subject agree with verbs and not with the nouns in the qualifying phrases. See, the presentation of the awards is going on. So the whole phrase, we have to look at the whole phrase which is underlined here, the presentation of the awards. So in this phrase, we have to look at the head word. Head word is the presentation. So the presentation of the words is going on. The presentation is singular, so the verb is singular is. The owner of these houses is very rich. So you just think of the phrase, the owner of these houses. The subject of this phrase is the owner. He is a singular. So this subject is singular. So the owner is very rich. So next sentence. The members of the committee have registered. So we have to look at the phrase, the members of the committee. So in this phrase, which is the head word? The head word is the members. So it's a plural. So the verb changes according to that. So the members of the committee have registered. The children in this college are very studious. We have to look at the phrase and the head word of the phrase. So head word of the phrase is the children. It is in plural. So the children are very studious. One of my classmates is a pop singer. So one of my classmates is a phrase, and we have to look at the head word of the phrase. One is a singular. So verb is like is. So next we'll see nouns connected by and. When there is two or more singular and plural nouns in the subject, and if it is connected by and, then the verb agrees with the plural verb. See, for example, schools and colleges. So these two nouns are connected by and. So it is, you have to use that or plural verb. Schools and colleges are closed today. Abdul and Ramesh. and is there, two subject, two verbs, nouns are there, and we have to use plural verb. Abdul and Ramesh are both lawyers. Rice and wheat are sold in the ration shops. So there are some exceptional cases where even though we use and. So for example, when bread and butter is the staple food of the British. When two nouns combined by and refer to a single idea, the verb agrees with the singular verb. Bread and butter is the staple food of the British. So bread and butter is taken as single idea. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady, even though it is connected by and, it is considered as single. So singular verb will come. Wins. Board and lodging is free for the members. And then, when two or more nouns connected by and refer to the same person or thing, then the verb is singular. My friend, philosopher and guide is my father. So it refers, even though there are two or three, but connected by and, but it denotes a single person. It refers to a single person. For example, in the first sentence, my friend, philosopher and guide is my father. So my father is my friend as well as guide as well as philosopher. So it refers to a single person. So the verb agrees singular. The novelist and statesman is dead. The chairman and managing director of the company is to preside over the meeting. His profession and hobby is music. So even he has only one interest, music. His profession as well and hobby is music. It denotes singular idea, so it takes only singular verb. When singular nouns connected by and but preceded by each or every, then they take singular verb. Every boy and every girl in the village studies in the government school. It is connected by every, otherwise each. Then the verb takes only singular verb. See, every worker and every officer in the company gets lunch. Each driver and conductor involves in the strike. Each girl and each boy wears a blue uniform on Mondays. If subjects connected by either or, neither, nor, or, then it will be followed by singular verbs. Either Raju or Ravi has taken away my book. Neither my son nor my daughter studies bad. No jewel or money has been taken away by the murderer. So, if the subjects connected by either or nor or, then it will be followed by singular verbs. When the subjects connected by or nor are of different numbers, the plural subject comes last, then it should be followed by a plural verb. If the singular subject comes last, then it should be followed by a singular verb. Neither the teacher nor the students support the principal. So here we have to look at the last subject. So the students is the last subject and it is plural. So we have to use plural verb here. What is that? Support, not supports. Either Pratap or his friends have broken the window. So here we have to look at the second subject, last subject. Here it is friends. So friends, it's plural. So the verb will be have. So friends have broken the window. Neither Gopal nor I am responsible for this. So here we have to look at the second subject. I will be followed by am. So I am responsible for this. Either you or Sheila is the culprit. Sheila here is the second last subject and here the subject is Sheila, singular. So verb will be yes. So collective nouns. If the collective noun is considered as a single unit, then the singular verb will be followed. If the collective noun is considered as a group meaning, then plural verb will be followed. The team consists of brilliant students. The team start to arrive on the ground. So here the team is considered as collective noun, which is having a group of members, but so it is considered as singular. So it takes singular verb. What is that? Consists of. So the crew was very efficient. Here the crew is considered as singular. So here was. The crew were killed in the accident. Here each individual was killed. So the crew is considered as a group. Noun phrases. Noun phrases expressing an amount, a quantity, a period of time or a distance. When each of the noun phrases is regarded as a unit, it takes the singular verb. When it is considered as consisting of a number of separate units, it takes the plural verb. 40 kilos per passenger is the baggage allowance. So here noun phrase expresses an amount 40 kilos, but it is distributed per passenger. So we have to look at that, and it will take only verb which is singular. Is 40 kilos of vegetables are sold by him every day. So here also the quantity is mentioned, but vegetables plural, so are sold by him every day. 20 years of service. So here service is taken as singular, makes you eligible for voluntary retirement. 50 years of the life have changed him a lot. Special nouns, nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning. No news is good news. So news is considered as singular in meaning. So it takes only verb, singular. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Even though in appearance, if it is looking like plural, but it is singular. So mathematics is my favorite subject. The second innings was cancelled owing to rain. AIDS is a dreadful disease. Politics does not attract us. Athletics is his passion. Literary works, countries and organizations. So the names of literary works, countries and organizations will take only singular. Merry Wives of Windsor was written by Shakespeare. The United Nations has a significant role in the world. The Maldives is a group of islands. So here we have seen about Concord. I wanted to thank you all for listening. Thank you.